Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna be grilling some steaks. I have some New York strip steaks. I have one ribeye steak here too, so they're a little thinner side. The ribeye's a little bit thicker, but we're just gonna marinate it right now. We're gonna add soy sauce, garlic powder, this Montreal steak seasoning, some olive oil, and some Worcestershire sauce, and I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of lemon on top too. And we're gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 4 or 5 hours. So first we're gonna drizzle some olive oil over it. Soy sauce. Worcestershire, that's a hard word to say. Add some lemon juice. And some garlic powder. I love this stuff, I use it a lot. And that's it, I'm just gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge for the 5 or 6 hours, or 4 to 5 hours. So I kind of like to make my own barbecue sauce. I add actual barbecue sauce, I'm using Kinder, they're like the best. Add paprika, olive oil, ketchup, and garlic. And I also add that Montreal steak seasoning to it also, this Montreal steak seasoning. So just mix it up. I already added everything except for these 2 items, so I'm gonna add that now. Just a much tastier barbecue sauce. So these steaks have been marinating in the fridge for about 5 hours now, and we're going to put them on the grill outside, and we usually cook them about 4 minutes per side, and that's pretty much all it takes for a perfect steak for us. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so we're going to put the steaks on the grill for 4 minutes each side.